Maps tell lies. On a map, there is a hard line between India and Myanmar, a border, a wall, but on the ground, that line does not exist. In the deep jungles of the Chin Hills, there is an invisible highway. It's a corridor where ethnic ties, black market weapons, and billions of dollars in narcotics move faster than the Indian army can track them. This is the Myanmar Chin Manipur corridor. It is the eastern gateway to India, and right now it's broken. Today we decode why this 400 stretch of jungle is the single biggest threat to India's Act East dream, and why the 2021 Myanmar coup changed everything for US security. Geography is a trap. The Chin people of Myanmar and the Kuki tribes of Manipur aren't just neighbors, they are family. They share the same language, the same history, and the same blood. For decades, India allowed a free movement regime, letting people walk 16 kilometers across the border without a visa. It was built for culture, but it created a security nightmare. When the border is a revolving door, how do you stop a militant? How do you track a smuggler? In this corridor, the international border is just a suggestion. And when Myanmar collapsed in 2021, that suggestion became a tragedy. In 2021, the Myanmar military seized power. The Chin state exploded into a civil war. As the Myanmar army burnt villages, thousands of refugees flooded into Manipur and Mizoram. But they weren't just civilians. In the chaos, a power vacuum was created. With the Myanmar government losing control of its border, the Chin Hills became a no man's land, a safe haven for every anti-Indian insurgent group, from the UNLF to the NSCN. Here is the terrifying part. As the Myanmar residents fought the junta, they began looting massive military armories, sophisticated weapons, grenades, snipers, and automatic rifles started flowing across the border like water. This is why the violence in Manipur in 2024 and 2025 felt different. It wasn't just sticks and stones anymore. It was war-grade hardware coming through the Chin corridor. The border didn't just leak people, it leaked firepower. But weapons cost money. Where does it come from? The corridor sits on the edge of the Golden Triangle, the world's most notorious narcotics zone. Since the coup, opium and meth production in Myanmar has skyrocketed. Drug lords use the Myanmar-Manipur route to move billions of dollars in ice and heroin into the Indian market. This isn't just a drug problem, this is a criminal economy that funds the very weapons used against our jawans. This is the ultimate tragedy. India's Act East policy was supposed to turn the Northeast into a trade hub. We wanted roads to Bangkok and Singapore, but those roads go through the Chin state. If this corridor remains a war zone, the trilateral highway is just a dream on a piece of paper. The Myanmar Chin Manipur corridor is the strategic pressure point where India's future meets its darkest past. India is now building a fence and ending the free movement regime. Is it too late? Or is it the only way to save Manipur? If you want to understand the forces shaping India's destiny, you are in the right place. Hit subscribe to the Decoded Lives, and here's the question for you. Should India intervene in Myanmar to stabilize the border, or should we just build a 1,600 kilometer wall and walk away? Let's talk in the comments.